Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go over the how to pay employees and how to enter money that you have earned from the fishing. Oh, and take away the expenses for the business as well as receipts, payments, how to do all the stuff once you get the money, figure out how much everybody made on the day, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. Okay, now as you can see, I'm still under starting bank account. So let me go back to summary. Okay, in summary, right now we have just the starting balance equity. Now we need to take into calculation how far we traveled, both boat and car, to keep track of the gas and calculate how much in fuel cost we use to take it out of the business account. Okay, now, so I'll just use a simple little app I use called Miles on my phone. This is the app. As you can see, it tracks everything. Now let's see here. Go under trips. So we'll use my old Anchorage area. So that's 12.4 miles. So let's do some math. Current fuel prices here are about $2.93, I think it was. So we'll use that. So we put the 12.4 and then you divide by 2.93 for fuel cost. So that's you spent $4.23 in fuel for the day. So we do new expense. Now you get automatic referral. The date, I always use automatic reference number. Payer, you don't want to select a payer. Now payee, you go under that, select it, and now you enter gas. Or you could do Irving's gas station. Under description, you type gas. Now for the account it goes into, you want to use, let's see if I can get this up high enough. You can kind of see some of it. So let's see here. You want to go right here, motor vehicle expenses, right under legal fees. Description. Fuel for truck. quantity, you want to put 12 point, you want to put 4 point, I'm getting it wrong every time. Quantity of 1, come over to unit price. You want to enter 4.23. So 4.23, and then you want to create it, so hit the create button. Now if you go over to summary, you can see loss expenses, $4.23 for fuel. Now we need to figure out how much we use for gas on the day for the boat. So let's do, my location is about 9 miles from where I dock. So we do 9 miles, 9 divided by the 293 for fuel cost right now. That brings us to a new fuel expense for the expense claims. Hit new expense claim, do the automatic reference, payee. For me, I'm going to put the Carousel Marina because that's where I fuel when I'm fishing or out on a boat in general. I'm going to put fuel. And now we're on to account again. You're going to put it under the same category. Motor vehicle. Description. Fuel. Quantity 1. Unit cost. We get 3.07, so $3.07 for that trip. So we go down and create. And there's the expense claim. So now if we go back under summary, there we go. But remember, that's going to be taken out of the business account, not payee. So now we take the $7.30, subtract it from the 1,500, we get, so what we have left in the business account, after setting that up, we've got $1,492.70 left. And now let's move on. So we've done our expenses. Now we need to do the payee. Now we need to pay our employees. So we've got to go back down to settings. This is where you guys set up for payslip items. Now we want to create a new payslip item. So for the name, we put wages. As you can see, I did. Now you just click on create. There you go, you got wages. Now deductible items, that's tax. So you put in tax. And contribution. Like I said, I'd be offering 401ks because it's physical labor stuff, and everybody likes having that sort of thing. So, under name, you put 401k, expense account, you can keep it under wages and salaries, liability account, payroll liability. There we go. Now it's all set up. So, now with that we got that set up, we can go and add an employee. You can add yourself as an employee and get paid that way. But that is a little bit more tricky and taxes are handled a little different. So I do not recommend doing it that way. I recommend doing it through all the accounting, all the accounts. They're separate. So you get your take home at the end of the month, not at the end of the week or at the end of the day. You wait till the end of the month. So now we enter a payee. Let's do CAF, US based currency. I'm not adding any address or anything. Now you click payslip. New payslip. I do automatic reference as always. Employee, CAF. I always enter payroll here. Earnings, wages, quantity 25, rate 25. So if you actually only have a person come out for a couple days, they only get 25 hours on the week, they're only netting a total of 625 before taxes. So with that, you go under suspense, tax, amount. You want to put, $56, employee contribution, 401k. Now this is where I would do every dollar they put in, I match it up to 100. That way they can get more money into it faster. So under this I'll put 100, let's say, is what he chose. So in total he gets 200 put into it, create, and there we go. 401k. So he actually gets about $469. Not bad for one day. Now you go up to summary. You've got wages and salaries taken. So now you need to enter in a landing. So here's how we do that. Receipts and payment, new payment, account, incoming, status cleared, date, today, sales, description. I'm gonna put PAIRYWHKS, periwinkles. Quantity. I'm gonna put 600. Unit cost is $1 a pound. So for every 1 pound, you get $1. So if it was just me, it'd actually be 400, giving me a total of 400. But I'm going to be taking out crew of 4. So let's get that math. 200 times 4 equals, sorry, it was 400 times 4 equals 1,600. So that's $1,600. Now we create, and if I did it right, it have it coming in. And of course I did it wrong. So I'll correct that in the next video. Thank you for watching.